Right there. Okay, let's go.
Hold on, Nathan. Alright, let's go. Now, hello guys, we are playing White Noise, and this is Killer Bubba, also known as Nathan.
Hi.
Okay. So you lead the... Wait. I want to lead. I like leading, because I have no idea where I'm going. Oh, no. Oh, no.
Yeah, and the difficulty isn't on easy, it's on normal now. It is
Oh, no.
Oh, there's another one there.
Is he still there? Yep, he's there.
Another statue that way. We gotta go back. You see
Where?
it over there?
Oh, my God.
Upside down.
Hello.
I hate the bunker.
I can tell why.
Statues.
Hello. Oh, he's there.
The statue or the guy?
Statue.
Hey, look, a drinking fountain.
What?
Drinking fountain.
It's a drinking fountain. Just a super creepy game. Just, hey, look, a drinking fountain.
And cameras.
Ooh, a sign. Let's see what it says. Alright, so it says alien ship this way. And crates this way. Let's go alien
You
ship.
want to go to the computer?
No, alien ship.
No, alien ship has the thing. Where'd you go?
Alien ship.
Alien ship has the thing underneath it.
Fine.
Go to the barrels first.
Hello. Ooh, books. Ooh, boxes. Dude, look. What's that? I don't know. Let's see what this is. Hello.
Leaning back, Doug.
Ooh, camera.
Don't go right, go left.
Hold on. Oh, I just went in a circle.
Yeah, come on, this way.
I guess this is where the storage room is. It's where they keep all their supplies. What?
No, this way, turn.
Oh, okay.
Uh-oh.
What?
Camera's starting to get frizzy.
Uh-oh. Where's the white
Where are
guy?
you? I don't know. You want to lead or you want me to lead?
I want to lead. Ooh, a drinking fountain.
Hey. Ooh,
Ooh, an
an event.
event.
Stuff.
Whoa.
Doug, go straight. Go straight, not that way.
I know, I'm just looking. Around, man. What's in here? It's all loud. Ooh.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, Nancy, let's go get our luggage. Where's our luggage?
Doug, look around here. There's
Oh,
don't look at it. Don't look at it. You're fine if you don't look at it.
okay.
Let's go this way. Here, walk around here if I'm recording.
Recording.
Wait, it might be a different room. Yeah, it's a different room.
Dang it, Nathan.
Room has the same thing.
It was the alien ship.
That's not the alien ship.
That's where it's supposed to. That's where the tape thing is. Nathan. You stupid.
It's fine, dog. Wait, what does this say?
It's a crate.
This is the jail cells.
Ooh, let's go to the jail. Is there any prisoners?
No.
Wait, can you open doors?
Nope.
Aw.
But there are things like there are other creatures in the one bunker room
There's other creatures?
that has all the specimens.
Oh, that's great. That's just
Yeah,
even
there's
more
a
creepy than
recording in there.
before.
Me and Richie got separated on this. It was so scary. And it was on
What
nightmare
the
mode.
frick? No. Anybody home? Nathan, where are you going? Oh, dear.
Right here.
Dude, your feet are so loud. mind, they're my feet. They're my high heels.
You gotta be quiet.
Sorry.
Bailey very sneaky.
Hey, look, a room.
Here. Oh, this is it, I think.
Ha! I did it. Guys,
This is the
can we
big
wait?
room.
Is there
Look,
games
look,
on here?
Look, there's the specimens.
Where?
Over here.
Oh my God! Hey, he's got
That's
a
the
big
white
red butt.
guy.
He's got that booty though.
The white guy.
That booty. He's got that
If you look
booty.
from the front, it's the white guy.
Really?
He's just dead and possessed.
Oh yeah.
That's an egg. That's
Okay.
another bug. It's a bug. That's another
Oh.
dead possessed one. Bug and bug. Where are you?
Right here.
You're right behind me.
Any recordings?
I believe there was one in here. I can't hear any of the recordings.
Me neither. Nathan, is there anything here?
Nope.
Ah. Nathan, don't leave me, please.
Hello? Anybody here?
I don't think anybody's here, Nathan.
Why would you do this? If you knew people were disappearing, why would you want to come here?
Exactly. Like, who would seriously come over here?
Even the first encounter, you would want to leave.
Yeah, just like freaking book it. I would.
Even if you saw the bloody footsteps, you would leave.
Yeah, I'd just freaking book it.
Solve your own mystery. Doug, this is not a good place to be in. We gotta go. We gotta get out of here.
Why?
Because if he's in here, we're gonna get separated really easily.
We're not. You okay? Have another one. Why don't you? Jesus.
Here, Doug.
What? Hey, another door? Oh God, what the frick is this? I wanna go
Be
first.
careful.
Ooh! Ooh!
This is the train yard.
Cool. I love how you're all like kind of creeped out about this game, and I'm just like, ooh, cool. Because I've never really played the game very much, and you play it before, so.
I've played it like a few times before, but not a lot. To know where all this stuff is.
Okay. Well, we'll learn.
Doug,
What?
Doug, remember in the last game that we played off camera?
Yeah.
The map that showed us where we went?
Yeah.
A perfect penis.
Yeah, we did too. We got to try that again. We got to try that. That was actually pretty funny too.
Yeah, we didn't even know we were doing it too.
Yeah.
You want to turn or you want to keep going down?
We're gonna turn.
Okay. You have a pink flashlight.
I do?
Yep. What color's mine?
Black.
Yeah. Like yours has a few pink parts on it.
Well, it's because I'm a ginger, obviously.
You're Velma. Oh, we're back here. Wait, let's go this way.
Which way? Oh.
That leads to the specimens. This is to missiles.
Ooh. What the frick?
And here's Jet. Like, I would just leave right here with this thing. Hotwire it, get out. Let's look around here. There's the recording, Doug. I can hear it. That's just a white noise.
Oh, so that's why they call the game White Noise.
Yeah, piece of white noise in the background.
Wow.
Nope, never mind. It was just a white noise.
Well, that's cool. Hey, look, it's the dildo room. That's where it's pointing, right? Is that what that
Did
is?
you just hear my guy cough?
Wait, Nancy, is that what that is? Is that a dildo on the wall?
That was a rocket.
Oh. They need to make it more like a rocket, in my opinion. Wait, what's this? What's this? Oh, look, it's the penis. No, wait, no, those are the crates. That's the crates.
Are we back out to the train yard?
Yep. Now, let's go make a dick.
Oh, there's a statue.
Okay. Let's just walk
You guys stared
toward
at
it.
that before, not knowing what it was when I first got the game.
Ah.
Don't look at it, just continue to walk down.
Wait. Oh, you walked down?
Yeah, I haven't been down here before.
Oh, fun.
Leads to the trains.
Look, more trains.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Hey, you have a very bony butt, I must say.
Thank you. I'll take that as a compliment. We just came from here, so we gotta go back in here. We gotta go this way.
Wait, Nathan. I think we made a penis. On
I
the
do
map.
too, I do too.
Because, like, we went out here, and we went around, and we went out there, and we went around, and we kind of met in, like, a center point. Yeah, I think we made like a really weird one, and plus we came from that part over there. So maybe we did make one. You never know.
It was a floppy donkey one.
It was a big floppy. It was the one from South Park movie, the big floppy donkey dick.
Yep. Oh, look, Doug, a drinking fountain.
Yeah.
Also known as.
Dude, I need a drink. Hold on, I'll be right back.
It looks like a toilet and a sink too.
It kind of does look like a toilet. Like it has it has like the small shape.
Urinal.
Yeah, it's a backwards urinal. I hear something.
That's recording, Doug.
Where?
What's the white noise again? There it is. Up on the train.
Oh, of course we missed that.
Let's go.
Dude, the sound it makes when you get one is so creepy.
Let's go. And now we're gonna start seeing the guy.
Oh God.
Okay, just casual. I'm just gonna casually walk away.
I
saw his arm. You know he's a pedophile because he's naked. He wants our bodies.
Oh God.
Just see him peeking around the corner again.
Dude, next time dude, I'm actually kind of creeped out now about this game. Especially this.
Is the bunker?
Yeah. What the frick?
Did you hear the loud growl?
I heard something. I have no idea what it was.
I think I want to look at a wall and staring at the wall.
Oh God.
Doug, you can leave. Go ahead.
Okay.
Hello?
Hello?
Anybody want a pina colada?
Pina colada.
How about a margarita?
No, I think pina colada will work.